here I have just purchased the Phil Smith iconic hairdryer with the diffuser, and it's in that colour as well. It's got minky, rosy, gold. It's got a couple of nozzles with it. It's got the diffuser. It's got quite easy instructions. One's just the on and off switch at the bottom, and then you've got the heat switch to choose how hot you wanted it, and then you've got the cool button because we know what our hair dryers are like for being warm. And you also get the concentration nozzle on the end of it. It's all quite pretty. I'm just going to open it up now. It's all nicely packaged. Obviously the box will go to recycling. There's the little concentration one. The concentrator. The nozzle there. Nice neat size as well, and light. And here is the diffuser, which is a nice size for your hair, for doing your hair all nice and flowy. Nice and light as well, because some of them you do get are quite heavy, aren't they? So it's nice to have a light. I like the hair dryer because I've got arthritis on my wrist, so it's very good that's what I needed. I was trying to research one, and I just had to hit and miss and buy one that I liked, praying that it was going to be a light enough product for the easiness of myself to use. And you've got the cable thing on it just to can go in the recycle as well. So here is it's beautiful. It's nice and pink. It's actually like a glimmer shine pink. So there's your little controls. You've got the 0 to the 2, and that's your on and off speeds really. So it depends on yourself of what you wanted it to do. Above that, you've got the heat selection switch, which actually has 3 options, so you just pick and choose what you actually like and it's suitable for yourself. And then you've got the cool one, which is like a little snowflake. I don't know if you can see that there. So the little snowflake piece on that bottom there is for the cooling, to give you the cool shot of it. So here you can see the back of it. It's all nice and tidy, and you know, it's really, considering it's not as small as some of the travel pack ones, but to be fair with you, this one's actually really lovely in size, and it can go away with you. Plus I can use from my set, what I did on the video 1, I can actually use it to put it in here, so it can be all tidied about. And plus I can actually take the cable thing off if I wanted to travel, because I've got all the cable tying away, so it'll go nicely in my travel pack case or my travel bag. Actually, it's really lovely. I'm just going to see if I can show you to connect this to see what it's like. Clicking on. Alright. There we go. You see it's all clipped on now. And still, do you know what, even with that on, the actual concentrator, what I've just added onto the end of it, and it's not heavy, it's not added any weight to it at all. So really, with the movement of it, it's a really good product for that. And then you've got the diffuser, which just clips in. There we go. And even that itself, because you know it's a diffuser, so they are designed bigger to see what we want to do with your hair. But do you know what? Even that's not added a great deal of weight to it. As you can see, there you go. That's on there. That's a lovely product, and that's the Phil Smith range So Phil Smith Be Gorgeous range. It's absolutely beautiful shine on it. It's even reflecting off the light. But it's absolutely beautiful for what it is. It's a lovely product, and I definitely would recommend it. I purchased mine from Argos, so and at the moment they've got good deals on with them. So yeah, I would highly recommend purchasing this. I'm just going to take the diffuser off. There we go. See, all come off easy enough there. You see, on that, and just let the focus there. Just focusing. It's a really good product. Plus, it can fit easy enough into my holder now, so then I will be able to put the cables latch on into this. So I've actually got underneath it a removable clip for that as well, so it's all really nice. It fits perfect. It's got the little shape in the back of it, and I purchased the stand as well from Argos too, so they're actually, I think that's on offer as well at the moment, but it's absolutely perfect for what I need. And I know what girls and ladies like doing all the hair and the makeup and everything, so it's a really good product to buy. So it's got your tidy away for everything. So just wanted to show you my new style of the hair dryers on my dress tidy from my table dresser upstairs. Lovely product, looks absolutely perfect, looks really nice. And seeing there's still space as well, maybe hair dryer's a little bit bigger. So it is an absolutely lovely product. I can do it. Thanks everybody. Bye.